Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your account on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your collection because maybe you're trying to sell it, or maybe you're trying to just show someone else your collection. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now, notice how there's a section called portfolio sharing. Go ahead and copy the link from here and make sure that this is toggled on. Now, once you copy that, you can see that if you go into your notepad and paste that link, you're going to get this link here that'll open up your collection. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your collection from the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys